Hero mission level 1. Let's find the first colors. Go, 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 go. Red like a fire truck, racing so fast. Blue like the ocean, a tropical blast. Yellow like the sun, shining so bright. Green like the grass, a beautiful sight. Tell the colors. Red, blue, yellow, green, the brightest colors ever seen. Level 2, let's add some more. Watch the colors start to soar. Orange like a carrot, crunchy and sweet. Purple like grapes, a juicy treat. Pink like a flower, soft and new. Brown like a bear, looking at you. Wait, look, the heroes have a secret too. White and black and gray and gold. The story's not yet told. Color power, 1, 2, 3. A world of color for you and me. Let the groove, yellow too. And see anything for you. White like a cloud, high in the sky. Black like the night when the moon is high. Gray like a stone, strong and tall. God like Gogo, the hero of all. Let's count them. Red, blue, yellow, green. 1, 2, 3, 4. Orange, purple, pink, brown. 5, 6, 7, 8. Light, black, green, gold. 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 colors. Mission accomplished. Color power, 1, 2, 3. A world of color for you and me. Level 1, level 2. Dancing everything for you. 12 colors. Hi, heroes! Gogo here. Are you ready to meet some new friends on the farm? Let's use our hero ears to hear their sounds. Ready? Let's go! Go! Down on the farm where the grass is green, the biggest cow you ever seen. She gives us milk and she says, Gogo flies high and waves hello to the friendly cow down below. Domestic animals one by one, learning the sounds is so much fun. From the farm to our very own home, everywhere we like to roam. Yeah, we love our animal friends. Leo is running, look at him go, racing a horse, put on a show. The horse runs fast and he says, then comes a sheep with wool so white. She says, with all her might, can you jump like a horse? Fine. Can you wiggle like a pig?